axes. He swung them blindly around. No one caught for the dangers, slashed her to the ground. And I'm not sure which is worse, if God laughs or he doesn't. And I'm not sure which is worse, if it was love or it wasn't. If it was love or it wasn't.